Hello and welcome to pharmahutandhealth. In this video, we will be discussing 6 important vitamins that can help to clean arteries and their recommended dosages. Our arteries are responsible for carrying oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies. However, over time, they can become clogged with plaque buildup, which can lead to heart disease and other health problems. Fortunately, there are certain vitamins that can help to keep our arteries clean and healthy. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help to prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. It also plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, which is important for the structure of blood vessels. The recommended daily dosage of vitamin C is 75 to 90 milligrams for adults. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that can help to prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. It also helps to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. The recommended daily dosage of vitamin E is 15 milligrams for adults. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining healthy bones, but it also plays a role in preventing the buildup of calcium in the arteries. The recommended daily dosage of vitamin D is 600 to 800 IU for adults. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps to lower levels of homocysteine, which is a risk factor for heart disease. It also helps to reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. The recommended daily dosage of vitamin B6 is 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams for adults. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 also helps to lower levels of homocysteine and reduce inflammation. It is also important for the production of red blood cells. The recommended daily dosage of vitamin B12 is 2.4 mcg for adults. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 helps to prevent calcium from building up in the arteries, which can lead to heart disease. It also plays a role in bone health. The recommended daily dosage of vitamin K2 is 45 to 185 mcg for adults. In summary, these 6 vitamins can help to keep our arteries clean and healthy. However, it is important to remember that vitamins should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.